Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the coolness over here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 13 Pro. And for this product, I believe they make it for like iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro Max as well. But the cool thing about these two cases that we have right here, they're both the same thing, but it's different colors. But what's really cool about this one right here is the fact that it has a built-in screen protector that is glass as well. So that way you guys don't have to really apply anything on the actual screen, which is pretty awesome. And for the glass screen protector that they have on here, they use real glass and it is super high quality. And it is also scratch resistant as well. But you can see it from this brand right here. So let's open up and show you guys what both of these looks like first. Alright, so you guys first open up. This is basically what the product looks like. So they provide you guys instruction on how to set up right here. And then right here we have the actual product. So let's take it out first. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they provide you guys some more instruction right here to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And then right here they provide you guys some wet wipes and then use to clean out the product before you guys put it on. But right here you can see we have the actual case right here. So this is basically what it actually looks like on this side. If you flip it to the other side, this is basically actually looks like on this side. And on the side right here, you can definitely see the buttons as well. Same thing for this side, and also on the bottom here as well. So like I mentioned, for this product here, it has a built-in screen protector, which is right here. You guys can hear the high quality glass on here. So basically how you guys install this case, all you can do is just clip it on. So you basically want to take off this part right here first. And this is basically what the inside looks right here. This is basically actually looks like on this side, and it is a real glass. So basically when you guys are ready to use the product, you guys can peel this part out and then stick this onto your phone. And once you guys do that, you can fit the phone in here as well. So before I show you guys how to install it, let me show you guys the other color as well. Alright, so when we open up the other one, it's basically the same thing. Only difference is the actual case right here. And I really like the way how they design these cases right here, because on the side right here, you definitely get a good grip. It's not like super good grip compared to other cases, but it definitely still give you guys a good grip on here when you guys want to hold it and watch videos or whatever. So you see the color of this case right here is pink, compared to the other one is blue. So when I put it side by side, you can see the color difference right here. So this one is pink, and this one right here is blue. I believe they also have this in black as well. But this is basically actually looks like with both of these cases right here. So both of these are the same thing. I'm actually just apply one of them. I think I'll just apply the blue one that we have right here. And you basically want to wipe down the screen right here with some wet wipes or whatever. So you can probably use the stuff inside right here. So let's open up. Alright, so this is basically what's included inside right there. So they provide you guys a wet wipe and a dry cloth right here. So let's wipe down the screen first before I apply it on. Alright, so I'm just wiping down my screen right now first to make sure it's clean before I apply it on. Alright, so now you guys want to use the dry cloth right here to wipe it down to make sure it's clean. Alright, so once you guys finish that step, you guys want to peel off the little sticker inside right here. And you just want to stick this in the front. So you basically want to go like this and just stick it on. Alright, so once you guys stick it on, you guys can put this on the other side of the case. So just like this. And just stick it inside. Make sure all four corners fit in. Alright, so once you guys put it in, this is basically actually looks like. So I just want to remove this part here as well. And once you guys take off that part there, this is basically actually looks like. So the back right here, you guys want to peel this off as well. Alright, so once you guys peel it off, this is basically actually looks like. If you guys can see, it definitely looks very nice. I actually really like the color of this case a lot, because you can see the color blends so well with the phone that we have, since it is a blue color as well. But this is basically actually looks like in the back. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here's what it looks like on the other side right here. And then here is the bottom part. And obviously here's what it looks like in the front. So this product is actually really cool because it has a built-in screen protector. So you don't have to worry about putting your own glass screen protector or whatever on here. And the screen on here is actually pretty responsive as well. So we slide it up. It glides so well on here. And if you guys notice, once we actually apply the case on, it doesn't have any bubbles on here when you guys apply the glass screen protector on here. That's built into the case, which is pretty nice. And the way how they design the case, if you guys look at the corner right here, it definitely has the protection throughout the case to give that protection on here. So if you guys accidentally drop it, you don't have to worry about it, since it has that drop protection on here. And then if you guys want to use a MagSafe charger, or if you guys want to do wireless charging on here, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys are planning to get like the brand new iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro Max. And also if you're trying to look for a case that has a built-in screen protector, so that way you guys don't have to apply one on yourself, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, they obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.